Guys, all right, guys. Today we are going to discuss about volley. We will learn it. It's very simple. First thing is, whenever you come to the net, always make sure you have a continental or chopper grip. As soon as you come to the net, always change it from forehand or backhand to just chopper grip. All right, continental grip. Yeah, yes. Come on. All right. Here is demo. Backhand. All right, this is one another thing. When you come to the net, make sure you block, and your grip should be enough, enough firm. Don't keep it loose. Enough firm and in front of your body. Like I'm going to show you how to do. Second tip: don't take your racket too far. Always have a compact impact. It means like suppose you are running and you hit a shot, good shot. Then once you approach to the net, make sure you are in fully ready position, which is like you have to switch your grip, chopper or hammer grip, continental grip. Then make sure you do the correct split step. Your opponent, when he is about to hit the shot, make sure you do a proper split step. Then next thing is just turn your upper body. All right, turn your upper body and then move little bit forward. With your body weight, you have to push the ball. And compact swing means don't take too much backside, just in front of your body and push. Just in your front body and push. Now I'm going to show you few volley, how to do and what to do and what not to do. Also you will see in this video what you don't need to do when you do volley, like too much backswing, up, tilted body. All right, all these things you will see in this video demo. So make sure you do the correct thing when you come to the net and stay as sharp, as alert as you can. All right, thank you very much, guys. Just block. All right, thank you.